Hey everyone. So the world of teaching English has completely exploded online, right? This has opened up limitless opportunities all over the globe. But to really make it in this new digital world, you've got to have a powerful toolkit. So today we're going to break down the essential tech stack that every single online teacher needs.
It's true. The modern classroom, it really has no walls. It's this flexible, super dynamic space that can be literally anywhere you've got an internet connection. And that's such a powerful idea, isn't it? A place where learning can be perfectly tailored to a student, even if they're thousands of miles away.
But that leads to the big question, doesn't it? If there are no walls, what's holding it all together? How do you actually build this digital learning space from scratch? Well, that is the exact challenge we are going to solve right now.
Okay, let's dive right in. We're tackling the Digital Classroom Challenge, and the key really is understanding your essential toolkit. It's all about getting the right tools for the job.
The big idea here is what we call a tech stack. Just think of it like you're a digital command center. It's the specific mix of tools and platforms you use for everything: teaching, managing students, the whole shebang. And look, the point of this isn't to get you bogged down in tech. It's actually the opposite. It's about making things easier so you can focus on what you're great at: teaching.
All right, let's get practical. We're going to build your teacher tech stack together, and we'll do it by breaking it down into 5 core components you absolutely need for success. These are like the building blocks for your entire digital classroom.
And here's the game plan. We start with the absolute foundation: video conferencing. Then we add a layer of organization with learning management systems. After that, we make lessons fun with interactive tools. Check for understanding with assessment and feedback tools. And finally, we tie it all together with cloud storage. See, it's a system.
First things first, and this one's a non-negotiable, your video conferencing platform. This is the bedrock of your online classroom. It's the actual virtual room where all the magic happens.
Now, you probably know the big names, right? Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams. But these are so much more than just video call apps. For you, they're interactive classrooms. You can share your screen for presentations, you can use breakout rooms for small group activities, and you have things like chat and whiteboards for real-time collaboration.
And this is what I really want you to see here. According to the EDUCAUSE review, it's not just about seeing your students' faces. It's when you use these built-in collaborative tools that you see student engagement go way, way up. That really tells you why having a great platform is so important. Okay, so we've got our classroom. Now let's get it organized. That's where the Learning Management System, or LMS, comes in. If video conferencing is your classroom, think of the LMS as your digital filing cabinet, your planner, and your gradebook all rolled into one.
An LMS is what you use to organize your courses, share all your materials, readings, videos, homework, and keep track of everybody's progress. You'll probably run into popular ones like Moodle, Canvas, or the super user-friendly Google Classroom. It's basically the central hub for you and your students.
All right, you've got your room, you've got your organization. So how do you make your lessons actually fun and engaging? That's where digital whiteboards and other interactive tools come into play. These are the things that keep your classroom feeling like a boring lecture.
Tools like Miro, Jamboard, or everyone's favorite Kahoot let you create these awesome visual and collaborative exercises. And here's the real game changer. These tools make it so easy to use modern teaching methods, like differentiated instruction. You can have one group working on a visual task on a whiteboard while another is doing something else in a breakout room. That kind of flexibility is a huge advantage. Okay, next up, number 4, assessment and feedback tools. This is so important. How do you know if your students are really getting it? This is how you go from just talking at them to actually understanding and guiding their learning journey. With platforms like Quizlet, Google Forms, or Socrative, you can do quizzes and check for understanding in real time. But this isn't about slapping a grade on something. It's about getting instant data on what your students are getting and, more importantly, where they're struggling. That insight lets you pivot and maybe review a concept right away.
And that brings us to the 5th and final piece of our tech stack puzzle: cloud storage and file sharing. This is the glue that holds everything together, making sure you and your students can get what you need whenever you need it.
By using tools like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive, you can keep all your lesson plans, your worksheets, your videos, everything stored safely in one spot. It means you can access it from any device, anywhere in the world. Honestly, it's the backbone of any well-organized digital teacher.
Now, I know what you might be thinking. That sounds like a lot to figure out on your own.
But here's the really good news. You don't have to. This is exactly where a quality teacher training program, like getting TEFL certified, becomes so incredibly valuable.
You see, a good, modern TEFL course is designed to build you up in exactly these areas. You're not just learning theory. You're learning practical skills, like how to manage a digital classroom, how to present a killer lesson using tech, and how to actually use an LMS. It's all about building your confidence so you're tech-ready from day one.
So, why does all this matter in the end? Let's talk about the payoff, because mastering your tech stack isn't just about playing with cool tools. It has a direct, massive impact on your entire teaching career.
Just look at the difference here. I mean, it's night and day. The tech-ready teacher, they have happy students, they're more effective, they have higher earning potential, and they actually grow in their career. But the teacher who's struggling with tech, they're often dealing with frustrated students, wasted time, and a career that just feels stuck. Your digital skills are directly tied to your success. It's that simple.
So if you take one thing away from this, let it be this. Your tech stack is not just a bunch of apps. It is the absolute foundation of your modern teaching career. It's the entire structure that lets you be an effective, engaging, and successful online teacher. So really, the only question left to ask is, what will you build first?